Hello, car enthusiasts. We're going to be checking out the new Bugatti 2026 future version coming out. But I'm going to head over to the showroom, so I got to get out of these clothes into something snazzy and hop on over to the showroom. I'll see you right now. The moment you see the Bugatti Tourbillon, your brain instantly knows this isn't just a car, it's a statement. A declaration that speed, engineering, and art can exist in one machine without compromise. This thing doesn't whisper luxury, it screams it while launching you into another dimension. Let's start with the heart of this beast. A naturally aspirated V16 engine, not V8, not V12. 16 cylinders singing in perfect harmony all the way up to 9,000 RPM. No turbochargers, no forced induction, just pure, raw mechanical muscle. And that alone would make any supercar bow its head. But Bugatti looked at that 1,000 horsepower V16 and said, nice, now double it. So they added 3 electric motors, 2 up front and 1 at the rear, creating a hybrid system that delivers an earth-shaking 1,800 horsepower. That's not driving. That's bending reality every time you tap the throttle. You want numbers? 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. 0 to 124 in under 5. 0 to 186 in under 10. That's the kind of acceleration where your soul tries to step out of your body to catch up. And if you dare use the speed key, well, prepare for 276 miles per hour of pure aerodynamic violence. But here's the twist. Bugatti didn't just chase speed, they chased perfection. They built a hypercar that isn't controlled by flashing screens and touch panels. Instead, you're greeted by a handcrafted, watch-inspired instrument cluster, real gears, real mechanical movement. It's like wearing a Swiss masterpiece, except you're sitting inside it, flying down a highway. Every switch, every surface, every piece of metal is designed to feel timeless. They knew screens age fast, but craftsmanship lasts forever. The Tourbillon's interior feels like the cockpit of a luxury time machine. Elegant enough to impress royalty and precise enough to survive nearly 300 miles per hour. The engineering is just as wild. The battery? A structural part of the carbon monocoque. The suspension? 45% lighter thanks to 3D printed components. The aerodynamics? A living, breathing system with an active rear wing and a massive diffuser that works like a spaceship's guidance system. And yes, this hypercar can glide silently on electric power alone for over 30 miles. Imagine that, creeping through a neighborhood completely silent while holding 1,800 horsepower in reserve like a sleeping dragon. Only 250 of these machines will ever exist, each one costing over $4 million before you even start adding special options. This isn't just rare, it's practically automotive royalty. A car most people will never see in person, let alone drive. But here's the real question. If you had the chance, if Bugatti handed you the keys, would you unleash the full speed? Would you twist that speed key and go for the full 276 miles per hour? Or would you just sit inside, stare at that mechanical instrument cluster, and appreciate the fact that you're in the presence of engineering perfection? Because honestly, I don't know how anyone could resist. When you're inside a tourbillon, everything in your body tells you one thing: send it. Wow, I made it back in one piece. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hit me up in the comments about what you think about the Bugatti. I think it's a beautiful car. I wish I could test drive it in real life, but right now I have to settle for AI life. Maybe in the future one day. Okay, comment down below, all right? And look out for a music video. You have a music video that accompanies these type of videos, all right? And I may do a behind the scenes on how I created this video, but that may be on a different channel, on my AI Nexus channel. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let me know what car you want me to see to check out next.